Hello, I'm Chaparral from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce you to Rex wheels. This is a very budget-friendly way to put high-quality wheels on your motorcycle. Have you ever heard of a Hann wheel, but they're a little bit too expensive, a little bit out of your budget? Well, Rex wheels are the next best option. These hubs are actually machined out of billet aluminum in the Hann factory at nighttime when the Hann factory is shut down. And then these Rex wheels up here, these are actually made by the Excel Wheel Company. Super high quality wheel company who's been doing wheels for a really long time. And the spokes, stainless steel spokes, 30% stronger than your OEM spokes. Again, this set of wheels here is gonna be a very budget friendly way to put great looking, high quality wheels on your motorcycle. Now the biggest thing that people are usually concerned about is fitment. How am I gonna assure that these wheels are gonna fit my motorcycle when they arrive? Well, Rex Wheels has gone ahead and teamed up with Hann Manufacturing. This set of wheels in front of me, for example, fit almost every KTM. Take a look at the spec list on the product detail page and you'll see that the spacers that they include, they don't just include one set of spacers, they include all the spacers necessary to fit nearly all KTMs. And the same is going to be true for Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Husky. Now with all these sets of wheels, you're going to have a black Excel rim. You're going to have a hub made by Hann wheels. And then what's going to happen is the Kawasaki ones are going to be green, Yamaha are going to be blue, Honda red, Suzuki yellow, and KTM here is orange. A lot of the most popular vehicles are going to have hubs that are also available in just plain silver if you like that route, but traditionally the Rex wheels come with a colored hub, black wheel, and stainless steel spokes. So why did Rex start putting these wheels together? Well, they wanted to have an affordable option for motocross and enduro guys who are super hard on wheels. The Rex Wheel Company really wanted to produce a set of wheels that was affordable. The Hann wheels are quite pricey, but those components are bar none the best wheels you can possibly put on your motorcycle. So Rex went to the drawing board, they worked with Hann, they worked with Excel, and they were able to come up with a combo package here that's a very, very price conscious package that anybody could get onto their vehicle for less than $1,000 total. There are a lot of cheap Chinese knockoff wheels out there, and those are wheels that we would not want you to put on your machine. These here, however, high quality components assembled in the Netherlands by a company who has over 40 years of wheel experience. After researching lots of other manufacturers, Hann wheels being one of them, and it just being just a little bit out of that price range that I was willing to pay for a second set of wheels, finding these Rex wheels totally made my day. $399 for the fronts and $499 for the rears. Now that is absolutely doable. So these hubs made in the Hann factory after hours are made of high quality billet aluminum, all on machines bearing the latest CNC technology. What you're also going to notice here are the bearings and races are already installed. So all you really have to do is unbolt your axle, slide it out, remove your wheel, transfer over your sprocket and your rotor, slide the axle back in, and you are ready to race. Now these spokes are super strong, made of stainless steel. These are 30% stronger than any OEM spoke on the market. Now we're taking a look at this Rex rim that was made by Excel. This wheel features Excel Rim Company, Japanese technology, who have been known for making quality wheels for a really long time. What we're looking at here are the wheel spacers for these Rex wheels. As you're going to notice, there's more than one set of spacers. Why is that? These spacers allow these wheels to fit just about every model of KTM out there. Please take a look at our fitment guide for specific details for your make model. These Rex wheels come in a 21 by 1.60 front and are available in 3 different rear sizes, a 19 by 2.15, a 19 by 1.85, and an 18 by 2.15. These wheels fit almost all modern motocross and enduro motorcycles. If you're looking to put a new set of wheels on your bike, take a look at the Rex wheels available at Chaparral Motorsports. And there you have it, that's the breakdown of the Rex wheels here. We're talking quality components at a value price point. Please like and subscribe to this video if you've liked what you've seen today or would like to see future episodes like this coming into your email inbox. I'm Chaparral. Until next time, take care and ride safe.